are you going to tell beauties?
We're going to tell the hi beauties. So today we're going to put up our Christmas tree and decorate it. Our mom said you've been wishing that we were on camera. Beauties, so here we are. Look, you're ready.
Okay, I think I'm going to go down so I will be in the same level with you guys. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, a lot of you have been asking after this too. These troublemakers. So, here we are, you guys. As you all can see, we are rocking our Christmas PJ. Like, I don't know what happened to me this year, you guys. You won't believe, I think today is the 12th or the 13th. And today is the 11th, right?
Yeah.
And I'm just putting up our Christmas decor today. This is crazy. I can't believe it. Normally, I'm just so used to putting up our Christmas decoration after Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah.
But this year, I'm putting it up very, very late. So that's what we're going to be doing today, right?
Yeah.
We're going to be decorating our living room. So you guys, I literally just came back from buying these Christmas trees because we always kind of use the same Christmas tree every single year because we like buying artificial trees. But for some reason this year I just wanted a brand new Christmas tree, and this one is 10 foot tall. So I'm so excited. At least this one is a very, tall Christmas tree. Angelique, move. I'm gonna go ahead and oh Jesus, what am I breaking? I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I think I've broken something. Yes, I just broke this right here. Oh my gosh, the Christmas decor. But you guys, I also bought this. I don't know if this is a kind of Christmas lamp. I also picked up this and some Christmas decor. Let me try and open this up. Mommy, you know this thing is very heavy. Or that give me some water.
Tape off.
Be careful.
We're gonna put the tape off, Mommy. Okay.
Careful.
Put the tape off.
Wait, let me take that side off. Okay.
Let's do this. The tape off. We can pop these someday.
I know you like popping the bubbles. Just hold on. Hold on first. Let's get it out. You see something green?
Let's do this.
Oh.
Let's do this. It doesn't look like a Christmas tree. It is.
Oh, careful.
Oh, there's lights to them.
Careful. I think those are spare lights, Mommy. Hold on. Be careful so you don't. Yeah.
Hurt yourself.
Yeah, like spare lights. So where are we going to keep the Christmas tree?
Right there.
Right there. No, Angelique, hold on. I know you want the bubbles. Just hold on.
I'm gonna pop this.
Oh,
And you can get on
it's
it.
heavy.
Get on. I'm gonna wrap you around.
Oh my gosh. This is so heavy. Ooh. You guys are playing instead of helping me out. Oh my gosh. You say you want Christmas decor. Now we have it and you're busy playing.
Tree, Christmas tree.
Fall. It's actually fall. What is going on here? I'm going to close you up if you enter inside. You guys are heavy. How many pounds are you?
5.
Let me see the direction. I don't even know how to bear about this. Okay, so I think this is the first one. It says number 1. So I'm supposed to remove this. Yes.
Number 3.
This is number 1, Mommy. Yes. See?
No, you have to see the number.
It says number 1. See? 1.
Like,
So
you
where's
come over
2?
here. You don't want
Where's
to see
2?
over here. I know.
Where's number 2?
Because I'm number 2.
Okay. Oh. Hold on. Oh my gosh.
Oh, where's the button? There's a button.
There is.
Press
Mommy,
it, press
move. It's gonna
Press
drop
it,
on
press
you.
it, press it.
No, we can't press it right now. Let's just get the things ready first. Oh my gosh, this looks cute already.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Careful.
First, we need to cut the things off.
Where's the ladder?
Mommy, we have to know what to do. First, we need to cut the things off.
I thought you cut it off, Mommy.
I didn't cut one. Look, you can
You only
cut the
cut
other one. I cut a tree.
Tree?
But I was gonna cut this into that half. Here we go. Here's
the ladder. Nice. Thank you. Just keep it by the side so we can use it.
This is gonna be cool, guys. At the end, we're gonna line up
Oh my gosh! Angel, we gotta cut this one. We need to cut it. Cut it. Be careful, mommy, so you don't cut your hand, please.
You know what to do with scissors.
Nice.
So it's almost to the ceiling. When we put that up there, you guys will. When it's done with Christmas, you guys have to climb up there to the wall.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, Licky and Angel, this is definitely long.
Definitely.
Definitely, right?
Yeah.
Mommy, give me that one. Let me see.
Still have you might fall down.
I won't. Oh my gosh.
Put off the paddle.
Okay.
And I can get.
Thank you. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's up to the ceiling. Oh wow.
Open this. Open this. And you can have the ladder. Yes, no. Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We say a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining bold. The wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining bold. The wind is cold. You must return to the wild.
Mommy, are we gonna
Alright,
do
give me
a
this
little
star.
star?
Give me this star.
Wait, this one. This one here. The big one or the small one?
Let's see the big one first.
Yeah, like you really wanted to hang up the.
But it's too far, mommy. Where it is too, like, it's very, very far. I don't even know if I can get there. And I'm almost 9 foot tall, mommy.
9 foot.
Oh, no. It's too far for me, too. Look. Oh, my gosh.
Tomorrow is E Day. I'm gonna go. Friday is F Day. We gotta light it up.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's see. Ready?
Yes. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
We're already finished here, right? So who is putting up the stocking?
Me.
Oh yeah, come on.
Under your toes, the fire grows.
We're gonna keep this here, right?
Yeah.
You're shining bold. The wind is cold.
We're gonna go ahead and put on this one. I think this is the lamp,
Yeah.
the lantern.
Yay. I'm gonna be.
This lamp actually needs 3AA battery, but I don't have it, so we're just gonna use it like this for now. And then when I get to the supermarket, I'll get the batteries. So here we are. Look at the Christmas tree from up. Yay! What do you think?
It's good.
It's beautiful.
I like the gems.
Did you see the fireplace too? The decoration.
Stocking. It goes like this. And a ho ho ho. 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 There's a lot of red stuff in this living room. I love it.
And it's nice for Christmas, right?
And he slashed it off to the sky.
Yay! So Angel and Licky, you guys are not going to bother me again, right? Because of decorating the living room for Christmas.
We can't bother you.
Alright my love, so for the giveaway, as you all can see, I have a huge box right here. And for this giveaway, we're going to have 5 winners. 5 winners. One thing I've noticed a lot of you always ask for whenever like I post videos on my channel is always hair. And you guys, you know I do a lot of hair, you know, tutorials and hair reviews here on my channel. So I decided to bring out 5 of my best wigs, you guys, and all the wigs I have for this giveaway are virtually like brand new wigs. So 5 of you guys are going to be winning these wigs. So that means 1 wig for each person, and I'm going to have a video of the wig in this video. I have 2 Brazilians, 1 Malaysian, 1 Peruvian and 1 Indian, all 100% virgin human hair. And you guys, you know the hair I work with here on my channel are all top notch, like virgin hair. A lot of people will be traveling this holiday season, so I want you guys to be able to flex some real hair, like even when somebody is looking at you and the hair, they know those hair is like expensive hair, you guys. I also decided to pick up some of my favorite makeup products. I receive like makeup products from brands almost every 2 or 3 days, so I decided to pick out some of my favorite makeup products. As you all can see, I have like Profusion Cosmetics here. I have eyeshadow palettes. I have Laura Mercier products here. I have NYX. I have CoverGirl, The Balm Cosmetics, Motive Cosmetics. Like, I have a lot of products, as you all can see. So this right here is just a package for just one person. Everybody is going to get like different things. Some of the things you guys are all going to get the same thing, but most of the things are like different things. All these products, they are virtually like brand new. I have probably 80% of brand new products, and then just maybe 20% of just the ones I just tested, like I swatched, you know, because you know most of these brands, when they send you PR packages, you just have to maybe share it on your Instagram story or something like that. So I just have like maybe 1 or 2 products I swatched. You guys are going to be winning all like boxes of makeup products as well as 100% virgin human hair, and it's very easy, you guys. You don't need to do much. You just have to make sure you're following me here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, and also make sure you like this video. I'm going to post this video on my Instagram page because this is open to all my followers, so make sure you follow me on Instagram to make sure you stand more chances of winning. And also make sure you go to the video on my Instagram and just comment done. Like, once you know you're coming from YouTube, just comment done YT. So done YouTube, so I know, oh, this person is coming from YouTube, because I'm still going to post this same video on my Instagram. So that is basically it, and I'm going to leave other information for this giveaway right in my description box, so you guys can go and check that out. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video with my Twinkies, because like it's past bedtime. It's almost 10:30, and they normally go to bed like 9:30, so I had to send them off to sleep because it was getting too late. Like, I didn't know this video was going to take this long. Like, fixing that Christmas tree was a hell lot of work, you guys, honestly. But at the end of the day, I'm just so happy I was able to do it with them, because this is something they love doing every year. They just love helping mommy decorate the living room, and you know, even outside. We just finished decorating outside yesterday, so today was the turn for the living room, and they couldn't just wait to, you know, do it with me. So I'm so happy we were able to get this video out for you guys, because a lot of you have been asking after them. Yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed, and please don't forget to hit that like button. Please, you guys, just like this video, if not for anything, for the fact that my 2 babies, you know, featured in the video. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.